Morning guys, how's it going? Welcome to Trade Confident. We're going to go over Cardano today, guys. I want to show you some things that are happening here. How can you guys put your money into coins that have a greater possibility of pumping? I'm going to show you guys how to do that today with our new metric we just added. It's called the market cap strength. Probably have seen this before other places, but I'm going to show you guys how to use this to make more money in today's video. It's going to be pretty awesome. All right. Currently, guys, we are sitting at 103 for 103 wins on our channel. We've never lost a trade. We actually ended up taking 50% profit on our 50% of our mana trade was taken for a profit of 51.83%. It's kind of a tongue twister. So we got into a trade of mana a couple of days ago. I won't keep going over this, but I just wanted to cover our last win we had. Those of you guys who entered in with us with our regular buy limits, I was in this trade with you guys, exited for 8.48%. Awesome. Indicators were in the top red section. Well, money flow high. We saw a nice drop back down. We ended up winning that trade, but we entered in to mana over here into our masterclass down at this lower area of, actually it was, I believe it was 218. We ended up taking a 51.83% profit on that trade. And we have other coins that are about to do that. So guys, biggest point of this video, get into the membership, follow us. You guys are going to do great. We've never lost a trade. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and it's been really fun to do this with you guys. Okay, let's go over the metrics here and the indicators. Let's give ourselves an idea of what's going to happen with Cardano. Okay, the indicators for retail traders that I'm looking at this morning, what are they looking at? Are they majority green or are they majority red? If they're majority green, I'm looking for drops back down. We saw this happen over here where a lot of retail traders were FOMOing into the market thinking this thing was just going to keep blasting off. When the market goes up and there's not a drop back down, what we see retail traders do is they get excited thinking things are going to go to the moon. Nope, doesn't happen, never happens. They actually get shorted out and Wells institutions start actually taking their profits on their long trades, dropping the market, okay? We also saw this called very accurately over here with our indicators. So the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion here. When the trend exhaustion pushes into the top red section here and the well money flow is high, this is where I'm looking for a reversal back down in the market. Okay, trend exhaustion in the top red section and it's high, as well as the well money flow. This is where I'm looking for reversals back down. It is crazy, guys, but even when the slightest moment here, when we head up in the top red section, within the first 3 to 4 candles, we are seeing moves back down. I'm not going to sit here and try to claim like the second we see it, it drops. No. Like that's not possible. But what we can accurately predict over here is to give us a percentage and say, okay, what is the probability of when the trend exhaustion gets in the top red section, the well money flow gets high, that we see a drop back down? And I've done the math on this. It's between 75 to 80% accuracy. Okay, look at the drop we called over here. Trend exhaustion, consolidating in the top red section, well money flow high. Guys, I know a lot of people who FOMOed into this position up here, guys, and they lost a lot of money. You guys saw the drop happen in the market, and that was called with these two indicators here. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, seeing that drop back down. That is where we ended up seeing that drop, and that's how we called it. Also called it over here with the trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, and we saw this drop back down. Okay, why do I show all this to you guys? In this one other section right here, you can see. Why do I show this to you? Because this is going to correlate into our analysis today of where we're sitting for ADA, okay? ADA. I know some people don't like it called ADA. It's like not professional. We're going to call it Cardano. Trend exhaustion high here, guys, looking for that drop back down. But here's the thing. When the trend exhaustion gets to the bottom red section, and the well money flow is still moving down, we're not at the hot to high, we're still moving down, this is where I'm looking for pumps back up in the market. And that's what we got. Previous time, like, don't let me just show you the drops here, guys. Look at the accuracy of it calling the pumps back up. That's where long traders are making their money, okay? And if you look at this over here, it called it over here. Literally, Cardano stopped going down. Excuse me, guys. It stopped going down on all 3 of these moves, and it moved back up. Pretty crazy. Over here, I'll do this my last one, and I'll show this to you guys. As this moved down here in the market, that's where we saw the pump back up here. Well, money flow low. This actually pushed us into this uptrend that we're seeing right now. Okay. Now, as far as projections of where we can see ADA, I do think it's possible that we could see ADA easily, guys, come up here to this level of 137 before the end of the week. This bull run is taking over. We're seeing some signs on other cryptos that we could see a continuational move up. So I do think this is a healthy, just simply a higher low formation for this to move back up. I don't think this market cycle is going to start just crashing us back down here and go to previous structure lows down here. I don't feel that that's going to happen. I'll show you guys some evidence of this. Before we get into the metrics over here, I'll show this to you guys. You don't want to miss this. Let me show you some projections here of what's happened when the price has been this low before. We've seen the market on ADA pump up here 137%, 83%, 71%, 46%, and 193%. This is far from over, guys. We've been here before. The market can pump up here very nicely, and I think by the end of February, okay, by the second month here, we could easily see a structure high move up here. That would then give us a pump up here. We could give us a price range, just a little bit more of a further forecast, but a 40% pump by the end of February is not unrealistic. I do believe that's absolutely possible from what we're seeing with the other cryptos and what's happening with those. Okay, let's move over here, guys. All the metrics, all of our Telegram access, everything you guys need. Let me show this to you guys real quick so you don't miss out on this. We have our membership going up in price to $95 a month, February 25th, as you guys have literally 17 days left, and this is going to be going up. Secure your membership right now, guys. This is all you're paying. You will get grandfathered in for life. You'll get access to the Telegram channel, the Inner Circle. We're going to be doing Zoom sessions with you guys live where you can come on and talk to me, do Q&As, talk about the markets, as well as you guys get access to all the master classes, which is actually where I called out the mana entry, where we did 51%. You guys get access to all that. Here's the Inner Circle right here. Here's the master classes over here. You guys can start watching all of these and have a blast. All right, let's get over into the metrics. You guys are going to get access to all these when you guys unlock that membership. So let's go into Cardano. The emotional index here is sitting right now in the excited area. This tells me that retail traders are getting excited. This is a no-brainer. But it means something else. It means that when retail traders are excited, that's when they're pumping money into the market. And this is a great, perfect time for institutions to short back down and sell, because that's where the liquidity is. How do you sell billions of dollars in the market? You have to have billions of dollars worth of buying. It's why it's called an exchange. Okay, move down here. This is bearish, by the way. That's why we're seeing this drop in the market. Long versus short trades over here on the blockchain for Bitfinex. We're seeing over here that short trades did increase over here just a tad bit, and long trades actually did as well. So short trades increased, looking to take the higher ground here to short traders back down here, and we saw that happen. Great precursor, just watching these metrics over here. Long trades increased as well. So do you guys see what happened? Long trades increased over here. Sorry, let me go back down here. Long trades increased. Short trades increased. Long trades increased because people were FOMOing in. Short trades increased to ease people out of their long trades and push them back down into the market. Okay? This is very important that you guys are watching this. If you guys are watching this on a daily basis, this will help you guys predict the markets. Now, let's take a look at this. This is a brand new metric that we have now, the market cap strength. Okay. How do you guys tell if there is strength in a coin? Which coins are going to move faster? One of the ways to tell this is to look at the strength of the market cap, okay? What you guys can see here is what is happening in the last, let's call this the last 2 weeks. We've seen the market cap actually move down on 88, and it has not pumped as high as other coins, okay? Here's what I want to point out to you guys. Remember this, and we're going to come back to this. Look at this move down here, okay? Let's go over to Bitcoin, and let me show you guys something real quick. The amount of money flowing into Bitcoin is definitely a lot higher because we can see the market cap going up here, all right? The aggressiveness of people buying Bitcoin is more than ADA, which is why, and other coins, which is why I think ADA did not see that crazy of a pump up here like other coins like Matic, like coins like, the trade that we just took, Mana, okay? Those other coins, they may be seeing a greater amount of funds into those coins, which is going to relate in a higher market cap, or the green line moving up. That's the easiest way to say that. Even on Ethereum, we saw the market cap for Ethereum move up here on this chart over here. If you guys look at this, we saw it move up. While Bitcoin and Ethereum were moving up, what do you guys see on Cardano? If you come, I know I'm moving around a lot over here, but guys, look at these charts of here. Cardano actually saw a move down in the market cap. Okay, this over here shows a decreased interest in ADA. Just going to be honest with you guys. There's no two ways about this. It's not biased channel. This is a data channel. My goal, guys, is for whenever you watch a video, you guys get the absolute best data possible, like on any channel. I know it sounds like maybe a little prideful, but that's like my goal to give it to you guys. So this metric here is literally showing us the market cap where it is moving down here. Now, here's just a little secret I want to tell you guys. I specifically look to get into coins where market cap is dropping down because this means interest is moving out of that coin. Because if it goes down, where's the rest of the money going? It has to be allocated to other coins, or it's either withdrawn out of the exchanges. What we can see right now is the market cap for Bitcoin and Ethereum is going up. But if the market starts going up and there starts becoming this rally around coins that have lower crypto caps, those coins can explode. And that's what we saw over here. When we do see the market get down here and they say, okay, we've given up on the coins, the market cap's very low, that's when we expect to see pumps back up in the market. So I'm not giving up on ADA. I think it's honestly just a sleeper. Okay, let's move down here. Trades in favor. We are definitely seeing up here that this metric called this out perfectly. It said, short trade, guys. You want to make really good money? Like seriously, you want to get a membership where you guys are just going to make money? Look at this. When you see the metric value, come down here to great long trade. Great long trade. This is where we actually entered money into the market with the $35,000 called out in Telegram. Was at the bottom. What did I do? I looked at our metrics. It told us it was a good long trade. Now we're coming up here and it says a great short trade. And what happened? Look at the point when we hit up there. That was over here seeing this move back down the market. Right there. Okay? Now, when we're up here in this good short trade area, if you guys checked this yesterday, this was showing us that this was due for a move back down, and we saw the move down. So anybody who is short traders, we don't short trade on this channel, but if you guys did around this top area, you guys are sitting in profit about 7 to 6%. Great, you guys are doing fantastic. Okay, move down here. Well, and institutional smart money. This was also showing us that there was pressure on the price heading up any further because Wells, institutions, and smart money came out here and they were looking for the short trades to come out in the market. Look at this bar down here, guys. Previous time, if you guys want to trade with Wells institutions because they moved the market, here you go. This is accessible on every single one of our coins. When the retail traders are getting excited because the market's going up and institutions come out here and short, the price is crashing. People are getting excited, the market's going up, the price is crashing. These moves over here are the exact moves you guys see right here. See this pump right here? See this pump over here? You guys, you need to understand, just watch this metric over here. If this is coming out and showing really strong short trades, you're going to see pressure on the price from moving up, and you're going to see these moves back down. Okay, this is why we've been able to call exits at very high points, because we'll see this over here and we'll get out before that happens. Now, we're still waiting for this to come back into the break-even entry over here, so we have still a little bit of a ways. Does not matter. That's why you guys get diversified, because our account 150 is break even. So you guys are like, okay, hold on. You're down 31% on ADA, but your account's almost at break even. Yes. The only reason why we can do this, guys, is because we are diversified. We are so well diversified into other coins that with the buy limits that we use, and I'll show you guys how to this ADA trade and how to get into here, we are going to be experiencing a account growth even in downtrends, because not every coin drops with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I did a masterclass on that, and it's going to be coming out here soon. Okay, support and resistance prices. If you take a look at this, sorry, I hear something in my head, like going back. The reason why we get diversified is because sometimes when Bitcoin goes down, other coins will go up. It immediately reduces your risk of your portfolio going down, but it also exposes you to market moves up. May 2021, ADA went to an all-time high while Bitcoin crashed about 30%. Do you guys hear what I just said? Back here on May, let me see if May, look at this, May 24th, it hit an all-time high at this area, because this wasn't printed. It hit an all-time high, guys, and Bitcoin crashed. But you'll hear this, you'll hear retail traders say, no. Cryptocurrency goes down. All coins go down with Bitcoin. All coins go down with Ethereum. When the Ethereum and Bitcoin go up, all coins go up. No, that sometimes happens, but it's not always true. That is why I get so diversified into these different coins here, that when we're diversified into other coins, we actually have a healthier account, because you don't know what's going to explode overnight and what's not, because not everything moves with Bitcoin. And not everything moves with Ethereum. Okay, sorry, I wanted to point that out there real quick. Dollar cost average entries here, guys. If you got in here at lower entries here, you are doing so fantastic. Great job, guys. You're all sitting in the profit here on these two. If you guys dollar cost average down here, holding for 5 to 10 years, you're doing fantastic, okay? Exit points definitely coming out here, and we're seeing this saying, hey, heads up, you know what, if this comes out here and we see a big red block, you need to be watching for drops back down. We saw this call us over here before we saw the drop, and we saw the drop here. So what I'm watching for is just simply this to move back up and then see another drop back down. Okay, guys? All right, let's move into this part of the video, and we're going to end this right after this. This is actually the end of the video. Getting into a trade setup. All right, you guys ready for this? I want to keep this private for our subscribers, but down here, if you just keep scrolling on any of our coins, you're going to see the trade setup for that day. Let me show you this on Bitcoin because I just want to keep it private for everybody. Bitcoin is open to the public. You guys can trade this whenever you want. All right. Come down here and look at this. What we're seeing here, let me go all the way down. Let's go all the way down here. Okay. You're going to be seeing the setup for Bitcoin, but the principles hold true for ADA. If you have money to get into ADA, this is a great trade setup to take. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is a very good trade setup with good risk management. And this is how we have never lost a trade. And we are 103 for 103. And most likely Avalanche is going to be our 104th for 104th win. And it could happen today. Here's what you guys are going to do. Scroll down on any of our coins and you guys will see this. Choose the amount to enter this trade with. Let's say it's $1,000, okay? Take this $1,000 and split it into 4 equal portions, so just $250, okay? Simple enough. Now place this $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow, okay? Buy limit here, buy limit here, buy limit here, buy limit here. Great. Now that you guys have placed that in your exchange, once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up in your exchange for 100% exit. If you guys don't know how to do that, watch this video down here. I explained everything to you, how to set up buy limits, how to set up sell limits, like everything. Just that. This is the video you guys want to watch. You guys want to even further in-depth analysis of how to place buy limits and sell limits, go into the masterclass training, scroll down here and watch this video right here. I'm sorry, that's meeting me. The first masterclass right here, where I injected $14,000 worth into Coinbase. I showed you guys exactly how to set up buy limits in here and how you guys can actually get into these trades right now. I literally place trades in here. So watch this in the masterclass for you guys once you have your membership, okay? Coming back over here, once you guys have those buy limits set up, what you want to do is follow me in Telegram. So Telegram access is what I showed you guys in the beginning. That's included with your guys' membership. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link and you guys will get access over there. Now the indicators that we're using to call these drops and these pumps, these indicators you guys can snag over here under the indicators tab on our website. And right now we have a sale going on of 82% off the bundle pack. It's going to give you access to the trend exhaustion, price to swell money flow, and trend dashboard, okay? I'm being more adamant about this, guys, because if you look at our account, we have never lost a trade. But there needs to be correlation to that. How have we never lost a trade? It's with the risk management, the metrics, and the indicators. Our indicators literally called the drop before it happened on our last exit. You guys can look at this. We called it up here around, literally 3:36 is when this screenshot came out and we called an exit. Look what happened after that. We saw a drop. How were we able to call this? Trend exhaustion was high, well money flow was high. This is how we are predicting these market drops back down. Look at the accuracy over here. Trend exhaustion got high, guys. Well money flow was high. We did not continue up and we started to move back down. This may start moving down a little bit further. So make sure you guys are watching that. How do you take advantage of knowing that data? You guys get our indicators. Price for swell money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. These 3 you guys want to get at minimum. But to get these 3, it's better to just get the bundle pack because there's basically the same price and you guys are going to actually save yourself 42% more. Seriously, it's 42% off on top of what you guys would pay for the 3 indicators, and these other indicators down here are up to 60% off, okay? So the bundle pack is absolutely the best thing to get today. You guys get this for life. You do not have to pay a monthly fee for this. It's one purchase, and you get the indicators for life, and you get the source codes to all of them on TradingView, so nobody can take them away from you, okay, guys? That's in the description of this YouTube video, as well as I pinned it to the first comment. So, guys, make sure you're coming over here, signing up if you want to trade with us. There you guys go. There's the full membership. Make sure you're signed up. Literally get in today before this price goes up and I will grandfather you guys in. But as far as ADA goes here, we are sitting in the top section over here. We did see the well and institutional smart money looking for short trades. So I wouldn't doubt if we do see a little bit of a continuational move down here. And we may, guys, we may head back down to $1, but I don't think we're going to head down to structure low again before we start seeing another pump back up, which if you guys remember was at 137. So I do believe with this bull market being had here by Friday, 137 is absolutely possible. And we're just going to keep doing well in here. Those of you who set your buy limits up on ADA and you guys get into that trade there, you guys could be experiencing on this trade, if you guys get into ADA and we see a little bit more of a drop and you guys ride this up here, that's about a 20 to 21, maybe 22% gain you could be seeing by Friday. That's not unrealistic, guys. A 137 move on 88 by Friday is not unrealistic whatsoever. We could be seeing a move up to previous structure high here, which I believe by the end of February we can absolutely hit. And I believe we said that was about a 40% jump from the current price. So looking at that, yeah, exactly. 40% jump by the end of February is what I'm expecting as well, okay? Looking over here, let me just say this last thing before I leave you guys. I know I'm giving you guys a lot, but I want you to know this stuff. In order to watch the turnaround for ADA, I want you guys to watch to see if the green line, the market cap, starts to increase. An increase in market cap shows an increased interest in that coin. And if an increased interest happens while price is going down, this means Wells institutions, the big boys, are buying the dip, and it is a precursor. I have seen it be a precursor to market pumps. I'll show this to you guys on Bitcoin a little bit later in some different videos. But guys, make sure you're over here accessing these metrics. They will save you guys so much money, and it will probably, honestly, make you guys a lot of money because of the data that we have over here. And I've been using this, and we've never lost a single trade. So guys, I know this video is longer. I apologize. I will keep them shorter after this. If you guys liked anything, my team yesterday, they were like, Travis, you got to say this on the videos. Guys, feel free to like and subscribe if you guys want this data and you want updates on these coins like we just went through today. It helps us out a ton if you guys like and subscribe. So that's just super awesome if you found anything valuable. But guys, really join our family. Get in here right now. And before the price goes up, we will make sure you are grandfathered in so you never have to pay the higher price. So make sure you guys get that in the description. And I will see you guys on the next video we got coming out with. I'll probably do one more video today for an update. All right, guys, God bless you. Everything you need is in the description and pinned to the first YouTube comment, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.